Hey guys, Ethan with Denmark here again with another quick video. This video we're going to look at our chat and screen share features in our collaboration for Wildix. So here in our collaboration, as you can see, we're on our function keys tab. So from here, I can see everyone who I already have function keys assigned to. If I highlight one of the users, I can call or I can chat. So from here, if I click chat, it opens up a chat window with Daniel. So from here, he can message me back, I can call him, or I can share my screen. So to share your screen, what we'll do is you'll open up a chat window, you click on the three dots right here, and go to screen. From here, the other person will be prompted to accept or decline your invitation. So as an example, what we'll do is I'll send a message to Ethan Wallen and say, hey, share your screen. The three dots went away, so now I know he actually saw the message. Now he has sent me an invite, and I can see incoming screen share. I'll open. So now I can see his full screen. So from here, I can actually see what he's doing if he's trying to present something to me. Or if I want to actually take control, I can go here, and what that'll do is request control from him. He'll go down and click allow, and from here I have full control over Ethan's computer.